Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is one of those rare days where we get to see crazy moves right after the market opening, because usually during the first half of Monday, market is more or less in a sleepy mood, but today, market is full of action. This is the main reason I told you guys that please be in touch with the news, because right now, okay, the market is extremely news driven. Okay, and during the weekend, many developments may take place, and this was the main reason. Okay, I told you guys that be in touch with the news. But yes, those who have taken sell position according to our past analysis, hopefully you all are in a good profit right now. I have already exited long time ago, so I'm no longer in the position. Anyways, the main reason is that that inflation will be higher, okay, due to the oil. Wait, let me show you the news. Okay, I was reading this news that you can see. See, Saudi led oil producers decision to lower output, which could push up inflation in the US and lead to more aggressive monetary tightening. So the thing is that there may be an higher inflation on US, so there will be interest rate hike. As a result, DXY is up. Okay, and we can see Euro USD going down sharply. In simple words, if you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that there has been a sharp recovery on the chart of DXY, and the next resistance is around 103.35 or 103.20. This is the next resistance zone. But in this market situation, okay, there may not be a complete trend reversal from DXY resistance, and we may just see market taking a pause. So time will tell, especially during the European session and US session. We will get a better picture about the market, because right now the market has just opened and the amount of data to process is low right now. Okay, I'll try to come during the US session for a quick update, okay, so that you guys can understand in which direction we should be placing our orders. And this is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and market is going down sharply. Before I proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who have sponsored today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, but also you can use these tools as additional confirmation in your analysis and take your trading to the next level. They also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And my dear friends, probably you all have seen me talking about Chart Prime for the last couple of months. And my dear friends, trust me, their service is really awesome. My dear friends, as we all know it very well, that no tool, no trader, no company is 100% accurate, but with proper risk management and additional help from a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely expect to earn some good money and change your trading completely. And to know about the functioning of these tools, you can simply go to their website chartprime.com, and under tutorial section you will find many videos. In case you are still confused about the functioning of the indicators, you can simply go to the Discord channel. You'll see that they conduct 2 weekly classes. In one class they teach about the functioning of the indicators, and in second class they talk about the strategies that you can use with the help of these indicators. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and as you can see that there are many signals generated by their tool Market Oracle. Possible reversal down means there's a possibility that the market will be going down, so you should go for a sell. Possible reversal up means the tool is saying that you should be looking for buy position. Possible reversal down means you should be looking for sell position. It may look like a magic, but my dear friends, again I'm repeating, no tool is 100% accurate, so proper risk management is extremely important. And Prime Oscillator is another powerful tool where you will see divergences. Those who know how divergences work, this will be very, very useful. I'm a fan of divergence. Okay, so this oscillator is a very powerful tool. Okay, and addition to that, there are some other tools also, indicators like pattern detector, smart money concept. Okay, you can check them out later on. And the best part is the pricing. Okay, we can see that the pricing is very competitive in comparison to the other players. Okay, you can see that they only charge $57 per month, which is quite less in comparison to the other service providers in this category. Okay, at first you can simply try the tool for 1 month and I'm sure you'll love it. Use the link in the description to get 30% discount at the checkout. The discount is available on monthly and quarterly plans only. If you're looking for discount on annual plan, please let me know. I'll get it for you from the chart prime. You can also scan the QR code on the screen for faster registration. Please check them out. As I told you guys that right after the market open, you need to observe the volatility of the market. Volatility of the market will be a deciding factor. And as you can see, volatility was too high. And as a result, okay, market shattered each and every minor support on the way. So right now, I will just suggest that you should avoid any buy position in the market. Taking a buy position in this type of situation can be high risk. And as the market has opened right just before Fevers, you should give some time to the market so that market can settle down. During the European session, if you see market recovering, then there is a possibility that around this level market will be facing some resistance. Okay, 1.0820 around this level. Okay, around this level market may face some resistance. If market reverses, you can look for a quick buy. Go with a lower lot size. Do not take much risk because this is just a quick entry and exit trade for day traders, not for swing traders at all. Previous support may act as resistance. That is the only thing that okay you can look for in this trade. Okay, and if you are looking for a good trade, then this is not the trade. You should wait for the European session and US session to for the market to settle down, and you should wait for market to come around 1.0760 or 1.0750 level. Okay, the reason is that see market has already shown considerable downtrend, so taking a sell in this level can be huge risk. It is quite late to take a sell right now because market has already shown a great downside after this double top pattern we spotted. Okay, and taking a buy in the sellers market is also heavy risk. Try to understand my point here. So what I'm saying is that okay, if market tries to recover during the European session, US session, and if market reverses from the previous support, which will be the new resistance, you can look for a quick sell. No need to buy, you can look for a quick sell, or otherwise wait for the market to come down to this level or this level so that we can go for a buy position. My dear friends, it is not possible for us as retail traders to understand each and every level and trade on each and every level. So I will suggest you to trade on those levels that you understand properly. And as always, risk management is the most important thing. Whether the market is volatile, non-volatile, doesn't matter. Follow proper risk management. No trader is 100% accurate. On the chart of gold, probably you have seen how our best supports were shattered. Okay, so as a result, risk management is always considered as supreme in the market. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye, take care. Wait for the market to settle down so that you can trade accordingly. Okay, bye-bye.